are just gonna stop and take a pause and take a break on the series of the fruits of the divine fruits of the Spirit, the divine characteristic traits of the Spirit, because guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Today is 2020. 2020, something supernatural had happened in the past 24 hours, all right? Remember, if you follow my Instagram, I have talked about, from the message that I have received, we have talked about how light forces have taken over this whole world, all right?
This is about time we break off from the third dimensional living. Break off from the third dimensional living and reach your fifth dimensional living. Alright? Reach your fifth dimensional living. Break off from the matrix. Break off from the pattern. Break away and reach your fifth dimensional living. And I will...
Yeah, the old 3D debt-based fiat currency is taking hard to make way for a new earth quantum abundance system, meaning the old ways coming crashing down as we speak. Yes, the end of the dollar, the end of the debt note dollar is imminent, and it is happening as we speak right now, because very soon this very real new global abundance system that is already in place will soon take over the three-dimensional system, because all humanity has the universal right to experience true 5D abundance. The gods are here, the old ways coming crashing down. Let's show them some proof. Soon, this will be the new earth reality on the planet, baby. Let's go!
Morning. Richard Engel, NBC News, Hong Kong.
This is Tom Costello. On Wall Street today, a sea of red. The Dow down more than 1,000 points, 3.5%.
An ugly day for Wall Street, the worst we've seen for stocks in years.
The stock market in a steep nosedive over concern the coronavirus is already cutting into the global economy. The market erasing all of its gains from 2020. Among the hardest hit stocks, companies dependent on Chinese supply lines and international travel, including Apple, Nike, Marriott, United Airlines, Carnival, and Norwegian Cruise Lines, and pharmaceutical companies on concern drugs made in China could come into short supply.
It's not just the pharmaceutical industry, it's the auto industry, it's the consumer products industry. So many American companies have staked their production on China.
Meanwhile, small U.S. companies are also getting worried. OMG's Accessories sells products for kids and tweens to big U.S. retailers. But like many companies, manufacturing has been shut down for a month already.
We do all the development, all the sampling. Our whole team and creative team is out there in China.
Manufacturing on hold as the coronavirus spreads. Oil prices also sliding on concern that a slowing economy won't need as much oil and gas to fuel it. Unleaded now averaging $2.47 a gallon, down a nickel in just a month. Lester?
The growing impact of all this oil.
You cannot buy salvation and you cannot earn righteousness. You cannot buy your salvation. You cannot buy the divine spirit. The divine spirit is priceless. It's the priceless pearl. Okay? It's the priceless pearl of which, if one finds that priceless pearl, he goes and sells everything he had just to keep that precious pearl. Because that precious pearl is everything. Okay? So you cannot buy that divine spirit. You cannot buy salvation. And you cannot earn righteousness. Your righteous deeds, your so-called filthy rags of righteous deeds are not righteous. Okay? You cannot earn. You don't go to heaven because you do good deeds. So, you cannot buy salvation and you cannot earn righteousness. Salvation is the gift of God, which is the divine spirit. It is a gift of God. And righteousness is the natural fruit of the spirit-born life within the family of light in the kingdom of God on earth, because earth is the kingdom of God, whether you know it or not. Salvation is the gift of God. All right, the divine spirit, that's salvation. Now your righteousness is the natural fruits of the spirit that you bestowed in loving service to God, in loving service to humanity, in loving service to the family of light. Okay, and you will find that bearing the natural fruits of righteousness will become your supreme delight of life and service in the kingdom of God. More and more higher definition truth coming your way. This has been an Archangel production, Vi.of.Salvington Ministries. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. Don't forget to comment. If you have any questions, just comment. I will get to your comments. I'll respond to your comments. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy the video. And do not forget to subscribe, all right? Let's get the truth out there. It's 2020 and we are in person.